It's that time of the year where you design aspirants can apply for NIFT. Let's put an eye over it and take a closer look at the whole registration process. Let's get started. Okay guys, as always, open up your browser and type in niftadmissions.in. This will take you to the NIFT admissions page. Now here you can see a prompted message, which basically means is that the candidates should activate their email address before logging in. So you have to wait at least about 10 minutes for your mail to get activated, because then only you can log into your application portal. And if you guys are facing any issues while registration, you can contact them at niftadmissionsin@gmail.com. And for any other complaints, you can use the query management system after login. I hope that is clear to you. Now scroll down to academy sessions. Here you can see a number of courses that you can apply. So click the first link under regular UG PG courses. But before that, here are some important points that you guys need to know before applying for NIFT 2023. Well guys, NIFT or National Institute of Fashion Technology is a statutory body under the Ministry of Textiles. In India, there are 18 professionally managed campuses, and these campuses provide 2 UG courses, that is B.Des and BF Tech. Now let's look at the eligibility criteria. For B.Des, candidates from any stream can apply. But if you look at BF Tech, the candidate should be from a science stream that includes physics and maths. The age limit for B.Des and BF Tech is 24 years. Now the courses offered under B.Des category are fashion design, leather design, textile design, fashion communication, knitwear and accessory design. Now let's look at some of the important dates. So the online registration for NIFT UG PG program started on 1st of November 2022. The last date of registration is December 31st, and the last date with late fee is first week of January. Window to edit application will start from second week of January, and the CBT exam will be on 5th February 2023. Now let's look at the total weightage for B.Des. So there are 3 tests. First one is CAT, which holds 50% of weightage. Then comes GAT, which holds 30%. Then the last one is situation test, which holds 20%. Now if we look at MDes, for CAT exam, the weightage is 40%. For GAT exam, the weightage is 30%. And for the interview, the weightage is 30%. From this table, you can get an idea about the mark distribution in CAT exams for both B.Des and MDes. If you guys have any doubts on CAT and GAT exams, we have done a dedicated video for both the exams. The links will be in the description. You guys can check them out, or you guys can send a query to our WhatsApp number 8086111024 as NIFT tips. Okay guys, so these are the documents which are to be uploaded while registration, and here what you guys need to note is that these documents are to be self-attested. And if you guys belong to SC, ST, PWD or OBC category, you guys need to upload a document which is in a prescribed format that I will show you later on. And one more thing, if you guys are currently studying or waiting for your results to be published, then you guys need to upload a letter pad or a TC or a mark sheet which contains your school address. So guys, this is the document which is to be uploaded in the document section for candidates who are seeking provisional admission. You can get this format from Annexure 1, and this is the document which is to be uploaded by the candidates who belong to SC, ST or OBC NCL category. Here what you need to note is that you have to put a check mark to the category which you belong and strike off the rest. Now let's go back to the admissions page and continue the registration process. So guys, click the first link. This will open up a new tab, and on the right side you can see 3 options: sign in, new registration and activate your account. So if you have already registered, then you need to click sign in, but if you are a new user, Then click the second link which says new registration. On the left side you guys can see some points regarding the registration process. If you guys want, you guys can read through them, but in this video I will show each of these steps very clearly, so just stay tuned. So now we can start our registration. Now click the new registration button. This will open up the registration page. Here they will ask about your Aadhaar card number. So if you click the drop down menu, and you can see two options. So if you guys have an Aadhaar card, click yes, and if you don't, then select no. If you select yes, then you can enter your Aadhaar number here and click the send OTP button. This will send an OTP on your registered mobile number which you need to enter to verify your Aadhaar card. So in my case I am selecting no. So if you select no, then you can directly enter your name, gender, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, email ID, a password and a mobile number. Once you have entered your mobile number, click the verify button. This will send an OTP to your registered mobile number and enter that OTP in this box and then click OK. Now your mobile number is verified, and if you scroll down you can see a captcha which you need to enter in this box. After entering the captcha, you can click sign up. Now you can see a prompt like this. Just check everything before you click confirm, and if you guys need to change anything, click the change button, or if everything is good to go, then click confirm. Now you can see a window like this which says registration successful. Now what you need to do is open your email and also check your messages on your phone to get an OTP. Now what you need to do is click activate your account button at the bottom. Here you need to enter your email ID and the OTP which you have received on your email or mobile number. Once you have completed entering both the details, click submit. Now you will see a prompted message which says your account has been activated. Now you can log in with your email ID and password. Now click login. This will take you back to the admissions page. Now you can click sign in, and here you need to enter your email ID and password. Once you have entered both the details, click submit. This will take you to the dashboard section. Here you can see three options. First one is click here to apply, second one is preview form, and third one is help desk. So in order to get started with registration, click the first option. Now you can see my applications page. Here you need to select your course type and course name. Now if you select this drop down menu, you can see a number of courses, but in our case I am selecting regular UG degree. And now if you click this drop down menu under course name, you can see Bachelor of Design and Bachelor of Fashion Technology. So I am selecting Bachelor of Design. Now click proceed button. Now you will receive a prompt like this which shows the eligibility details. You guys can read through this, and after reading these points, check mark this box and then click apply. This will take you to the application status page. Here you can see the overview of your application. So once you have completed each of these applications, these cross points will be changed to a check mark and the status will be changed from incomplete to completed. So in order to get started, let's click applicant details. In this page you need to enter all of your personal details, including nationality, category, school pin code, school address, email address, your parents' occupation, annual income, your status of 12th examination, and your contact address. Once you have completed entering these details, you can scroll down and click save and proceed. Now it will take you to the second step where you need to upload your photo and signature. Here what you need to note is that the photo that you are uploading should be a passport size color photo, and it should be less than 100 KB. And for the signature, the image should be less than 100 KB. So in order to upload your image, first click choose file, then select upload photo. Now do the same thing for upload signature. So first click choose file and then click upload. Once you have uploaded both photo and your signature, click save and proceed. Now the third step is examination center preference. So here you can choose 3 examination centers of your choice. So for that, click this drop down menu and select the examination center you want. Once you have selected your examination centers, you can click save and continue. Now the fourth step is entering your educational details. In this page, what you need to note is that if you are a candidate who is appearing in your 12th standard or waiting for your results to be published, click this checkmark button and then click save and proceed. But if your results are published, then enter your mark details and then click save and proceed. Now you will receive a prompt. Just click on confirm. Now the fourth step is uploading your documents. So in my case, I have to upload 3 documents. But before uploading these documents, you guys need to keep some points in your mind. So the first one is about caste certificate. So if you are a candidate who belong to SC, ST, OBC, PWD or General EWS, here it says you need to upload your caste certificate. And one more thing, that is about certificate number. So if your certificate has a certificate number, enter that number over here. And if you don't, then simply type 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then click the upload button. And the second document that is to be uploaded is proof of location. And here what you need to upload is that your 11th class mark sheet, and it should contain your school address. Otherwise, this document will be rejected. Third one is an undertaking regarding provisional admission. And this is the document that I have showed you earlier as Annexure 1. And you can click this link to download the Annexure format. Once you have uploaded these documents, click save and proceed. Now it will take you to the last step, that is application form view. So here you can see all the information that you have entered and check whether everything is correct or not. Then select this checkbox and click confirm and submit. And if you have any edits, click cancel and do the edits. So in my case, I'm going to click confirm and submit. Okay, now you can scroll down and click proceed to payment. This will take you to the payment section. Now here, if you click this drop down menu, you can select the payment type. So here there is only one payment type, that is online. Once you have selected online, you can select the mode of payment, that is credit card, debit card, SBI net banking and net banking from other banks. And the application fee for me is 1500 because I have chosen ST category. But if you guys belong to general category, then the fee will be different. And one more thing, if you select credit card or debit card, you guys need to pay an extra service charge of ₹30. So the total will be 1530. But if you select SBI net banking, you need to pay ₹20 extra. So the total will be 1520. But if you guys select net banking on other banks, then you need to pay only ₹10. So the total will be 1510. So choose your mode of pay and click proceed to pay. And from this window, click pay now. And that's all guys. That's how you can apply for NIFT 2023 admissions. I hope the whole registration process is clear to you. But if you guys have any doubts, you can put them in our comment section below, or you guys can directly message us on Instagram or you can dial 8086 111 024 for more details. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, and if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing so that you guys will never miss any of our updates.